passionate about redefining the corporate culture in the digital era? Create consumer-focused corporate strategies? Or lead an organization with a disruptive, forward-thinking mindset? The flagship Master of Business Administration program at Chandigarh University is crafted by corporate leaders, blending real-world industry immersion and transformative leadership growth to carve your niche in the competitive global business world. Setting a global benchmark, our flagship MBA program offers exclusive access to top-tier corporate networks, personalized mentorship, and advanced leadership programs. Our extensive network of industry partners paves the way for you to engage with an innovative academic model comprising exclusive, industry-oriented case-based learning and gain real-time exposure to global business trends. New Age specializations empower you to make consumer-centric strategies, data-driven decisions, and lead disruptive innovations. With free-of-cost certifications and value-added programs offered by prestigious companies and foreign universities, you'll elevate your skill set and enhance your professional portfolio. Receive mentorship from industry leaders from top corporate giants to enhance your personal and professional journey. Build your expertise with hands-on learning opportunities like capstone projects, field visits, internships, and conclaves presided over by prominent industry leaders. Our MBA graduates, proficient in industry-specific skills, have made their mark as successful entrepreneurs or secured top positions with renowned corporates. Dive into the world of business and management. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.